Hi, we look at solving problems involving linear functions. We solve problems involving linear functions. We are told that linear function is a function in a form of f of x is equal to ax plus b. Remember the linear function under coordinate geometry, we said y is equal to mx plus c, where c is the y-intercept, the m is the gradient. So this means that y and the x are the variables. Even in this case, this a may mean the gradient, then this one it is the y-intercept. So a linear function, it is a function in a form of this. We have the example. The example is that a function f of g is defined by f of g such that x is 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. If g such that x is this, so this means that if the function of g, if g of x is equal to x plus 3, that is what we have, that is the meaning. Let us find the function of f. So in our solution, we are going to say f, since this is what we have, we are going to say f of g, we are going to write it as we have done it always. Like this. Okay. Now what is f of g? F of g has been given. So where there's f of g, we are going to replace it with this point here. This is the f of g. So f of g, it will be 2x plus 1, which is equal to, what is the function f? Because the function g of x, we know it as the x plus 3. Now, what is the function of f? The function of f, we have no option but to name it as a linear function. So, meaning the f of x, let me do this, it is plus b, like this. So, meaning there, I will say x plus b. So now where there's x now, I'm going to replace it with the function of g. Why? Because see, this is what we have. This is the information we are just from learning under composite functions. So this will now be 2x plus 1 is equal to a, open bracket, open bracket. We are going to replace it with this. We replace it with this. So it will be x plus 3. Then we say plus b. Once we reach here now, we are now going to cross multiply. Oh, not crossing multiply, sorry. We are going to expand this information there. So it will be ax plus 3 a plus b. So it's equal to 2x plus 1. Once we reach that point now, we are now going to equate. So we are going to equate this value, this term here which has x, it will be equal to this. Then this constant there, it will be equal to this constant here because they do not have x. I hope this one has been understood. This one here, it will be equal to this, okay, this term there. Then the other one will be equal to the other term. What am I trying to say? We are going to say 2x or 2x is equal to ax. Which one is common? It is x. So divided by x, even this other side by x. So the value of a is equal to 2. We come to the other one. The other one is 1 is equal to 3a plus b. But what is the value of a? The value of a has been found as 2. So meaning I'm going to the place where there's a, I'll put a 2. So it will be 1 is equal to 3 times 2, or we say 3 open bracket, we write the 2, then we have plus 5. Plus c, plus b. Then it will be 1 is equal to 6 plus b. Then this one, it will be 1 minus 6 is equal to b. So the value of b, therefore the value of b is equal to -5, because 1 minus 6, the answer is negative. So the value of b is -5. So the value of b has been known, has been found. Now we now come to our equation. What is our equation? We are finding the function of f. So f function is equal to ax plus b. Ax plus c, b. So what is our ax? What is our a? Our a is this answer here, which we got for a. So our a, we are going to put 2x. And what is our b? Our b, we found the -5. So we are going to say -5. So therefore, f of x is equal to 2x minus 5. This marks the end to our question, which is under solve problems involving linear functions. Remember, we are still under relations and functions. So having looked at this one, we are now going to look at exam-based questions, sample exam questions. Thank you so much.